Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas. And today, let's go for a drive in this 2021 Acura TLX technology package. 2021 was the first model year of this generation of the TLX. So this tech package has 272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that you'll find in the RDX. Same exact engine, same transmission, same powertrain. You have the true touchpad interface. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wired. You have a little place to put your phone here. You get the wireless charging tray in the A-Spec and up. The A-Spec, the Advance, and the Type S have the wireless charging tray. You can put it in comfort, normal, or sport modes. Paddle shifters behind the wheel. Use your reverse camera. And this is the parchment interior on this vehicle. You have the Milano leather seats, ELS Studio 12-speaker sound system as well. Let's walk around it real quick. Outside is finished in platinum white pearl. You have the chicane daytime running lights as well. Silver wheels. Dual outlet exhaust in the back. Nice looking sedan. If you want a sportier look, you can go for the A-Spec or the Type S. Let's go for a quick drive in this car. This is the front wheel drive. You can also get all-wheel super handling all-wheel drive if you wanted on this vehicle. Whoa. I think my camera just went back a little bit. Was hoping it didn't obstruct the view, but I think we're good. It's a pretty smooth driving car. I like the 10-speed automatic a lot in these Acuras. They're really nice. Acura did a good job with this 10-speed. Acceleration's pretty good too. I mean, if you're looking for just a nice sedan to get around in every day, this TLX will definitely do that for you. And it's comfortable, looks pretty good. You see the features you need. You also have adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. You have parking sensors too. And I've always liked how it shows the speed limit in the gauge cluster in the center screen. I mean, it's helpful, and you can also see the speed in the center screen as well. But overall, it's a nice vehicle to drive. Acuras are definitely, have always been fun to drive. Like, even like the non-sporty ones are still enjoyable, right? Like, there are a lot of brands in which like the regular cars, not the non-sport, the non-performance models, are just really boring. They have like you know, vague steering, you know, lame transmissions. But Acura doesn't do that. All of Acura's cars are enjoyable to drive to some extent, to all kinds of drivers, right? Whatever you're looking for at the end of the day. And here's the backup camera once again. You also have rear cross traffic monitoring, as you can see, turn on right there, which is useful. I like that. This little thing right here is for you to rest your hand on while using the true touchpad interface. A lot of people are always asked what that is if they've never been in like a newer Acura. They was confused at that. You also have ambient lighting. If you go to your settings and then go to vehicle and then go to lighting setup and then hit accent light theme, you have all these different options for lighting in your vehicle. And you can also use the voice assistant, and when you're on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you could use Siri or Google Assistant to help something get done for you, which is cool. You can also make your own individual mode by holding down this Acura logo, and you can change the engine responsiveness, steering, you turn off the idle stop, and change the colors if you would like as well, right? You also have a sunroof, which is cool. And lastly, here's the key fob on this vehicle. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own TLX.